So um, usually whenever pray fajr, I make sure to be extra concentrate because the temptation from Satan is very strong when I pray. But I still can stop myself to yawn, and it's not just once or twice. It's like very often yawn. Is my prayer valid?
No one had ever said that yawning invalidates the salat at all. The Prophet ordered us, alayhi salatu wasalam, when someone is about to yawn, to suppress it to the best of his ability. Scholars say suppressing it is like biting your lower lip or keeping your lips sealed so that you don't open your mouth while yawning. And if it is so strong and you're unable to suppress it, then place your hand over your mouth while doing so, but it has no impact on the validity of your salat.